every time he calls or every visit, he looks for her. He looks for her and asks about her. When is she visiting? When is she coming? And then we always have to tell him, she has school. Of course, we don't want everything that's happening to affect her life as well. I myself, I'm protecting her as best I can, and I'm making certain that life goes on for her.
Kitty, is it possible for you also to share how did the former president celebrated his birth, the
His
Christmas season? Yes, his Christmas.
Well, he is a very social person.
And now we are back to our regular programming. And for my first political vlog for 2026, pag-usapan natin yung sinabi ni Marcos na may makukulong na mga malalaking isda bago magpasko. Hindi mo naman sinabi, sir, na Pasko ng 2026. Wala naman nung 2025 eh. Kaya parang iniisip ko sa 2026 yun. O kaya sa 2027. Pero sir, dapat ang unahin talaga na maimbestigahan at malaman kung ano ang partisipasyon nila sa flood control mess ay si Trigib Olaybar, si Adrian Bersamin, si Executive Secretary Bersamin, si Pangandaman at si yung iyong staff, sir, tutugon sa pangalang Jojo Cadiz. Yun dapat, sir, muna ang unahin natin para malaman natin yung real picture. Kasi, sir, apat, di ba? Alam nyo naman, isang set apat yan para magawa ang katarantaduhan na yan. Proponent, yung magre-release ng pera, contractor, DPWH. Kung ang kinulong nyo lang ay DPWH at ilang kontraktor, abay kulang. Asaan yung proponent? Asaan yung nag-release? Di ba? Dapat lahat yan sila. Isang set, sir. Hindi naman po pwede na yung taga-DPWH lang ang makukulong. Ginagawa lang nila yung trabaho nila. At isa sa mga trabaho nila ay sumunod sa mga proponent. Masakit man tanggapin, pero yun talaga. Kasi parte sila ng bürokrasya at naging kaugalian yun. Alam niyo, sir, okay lang naman talaga na mayroong, hindi naman sasabihin natin na okay talaga, pero natural talaga, sir, na mayroon talagang hatagan dyan. Pero sir, sa panahon mo, parang parang tinarantado nyo talaga parang talagang legal na legal ang magnakaw di ba? Ngayon, sir, kung ibabaling na naman natin sa mga Duterte yung issue, pauugungin na naman natin yung impeachment kay VP Sara, abay, hindi tayo matatapos nito, sir. Kasi ang tao talaga, alam na alam nila na hindi po pwedeng lumabas ang pera nang hindi mo alam. Kaya yung mga taong binanggit ko, yun ang dapat unahin, sir, na imbestigahan. Yun ang dapat unahin kung ano ang kanilang partisipasyon dyan sa nyakawan na yan. Kasi pag hindi yan sila makapagsalita patungkol sa partisipasyon nila, ang konklusyon namin ay kasabwat ka. Diba? Tama lang naman yun, sir, na ganun ang mangyari dahil kung hindi mo sila tatanungin, ibig sabihin, may pinagtatakpan ka. At kung may pinagtatakpan ka, kasali ka. Baka nga, ikaw pa mismo, sa opisina mo nang galing, yung direktiba na gawin yan. Kasi napaka-imposible naman, sir, talaga. 1.04 trillion in 3 years. Napaka-imposible, sir, na ma-release yan nang hindi niya talaga nalalaman. Kasi, sir, yung sourcing pa lang ng fund, magkakandara pa na kayo Kaya nga kinuha nyo yung PhilHealth Fund dahil nagkulang kayo ng pondo. Kaya nga nagbenta kayo ng gold kasi nagkulang kayo ng pondo. Kaya nga kinuha nyo yung PDIC na pondo kasi nagkulang kayo ng pondo para sa mga proyekto na yan. Can you imagine 1.04 trillion in 3 years. Tapos, ang sasabihin mo lang, mahiya naman kayo. Sir, mahiya ka naman. Accountability is important. Hindi po yung pera na yan maliit na halaga. Malaking halaga po yung nawala. At mga pinag-ambag-ambagan yan ng mga Pilipino para mabuo yan. Tapos yung iba dyan, inutang pa natin, nababayaran natin pagdating ng panahon. Sir, para lang maging klaro, investigate the people that I have mentioned. 'Di ba? Kung meron talaga kayong malasakit sa Pilipino at kung talagang totoo na wala kayong kinalaman sa kalokohang ito. Sayang ang bayot!
Mira and our dad for
Almost 10 months,
Yes,
yeah.
almost 10 months. So, ayun, when the moment we saw him, we shouted as usual, and then Mira ran to him and then gave him a big hug and a kiss. And then medyo matagal yung kiss. I think dala na rin ng longing and all of these emotions, you know. She's a smart girl, so although she does not understand everything, she has a concept of, you know, what's happening.
Kit, is it possible for you to share to us what was the first reaction of the former president seeing Mira for the first time?
He had a different smile and a different kind of look in his eyes when he saw Mira. You know, he's been looking for her for the longest time. We all know that. Every time he calls or every visit, he looks for her. He looks for her and, you know, asks about her. When is she visiting? When is she coming? And then we always have to tell him, you know, she has school. Of course, we don't want everything that's happening to affect her life as well. I myself, I'm protecting her as best I can, and I'm making certain that life goes on for her. You know.
Kitty, is it possible for you also to share how did the former president celebrated his birth, the
His
Christmas season?
Christmas.
Yes, his Christmas.
Well, he is a very social person depending on the crowd. So if he doesn't feel the crowd, he prefers to be alone. Inside, he does have some acquaintances, but not everyone. So he was with them for a meal, for a bit, for certain meals. He didn't mention in specific, but he ate with his acquaintances or friends inside, and then ayun na, for the most part he spent it talking to the guards, walking around, or in his room watching television pa rin.
Nag-prepare bang ICC detention or something for...
I don't think the detention unit mismo, but as of what I've heard, yung mga detainees, yung they make their own events or celebrations inside.